The eclectic collection at the Factory Gallery is housed in a fine space. Immense windows, vintage floors, tall ceilings, the Factory Gallery takes advantage of the architecture at the Cotton Factory on Sherman Avenue North, where it fits among artist studios, workshops, and other design businesses. Hugh Little and Stephen McCants pooled their knowledge and collections of Canadian and European art, including posters, limited edition prints, original paintings, rare books, and other treasures, to stock the Factory Gallery. As McCants says, this is an excellent time to buy select pieces of historical Canadian art at very reasonable prices, or European work like this print by Edward Vuillard from a portfolio book. Big, vibrant, original posters line one wall of the Factory Gallery. There are books, not all for sale, but all intriguing to look at. The Factory Gallery is open by appointment only, but will be open to the public at a night market at the Cotton Factory on January 18th. I'm Kathy Renwald for TheSpec.com.